Haven't actually done anything with these. I've had them sitting here for ages because I thought I'd share them with you guys as we get some babies out. Who wants to see where their babies are? Trying to do this one-handed on a phone is not fun. Ready? We're doing an unboxing. Ah, look at those babies. Oh, they have turned out so gorgeous. Absolutely lovely. Look at that. Look at Nikos on the back there. Look at that. All that loveliness that's coming to you guys very, very soon. Little few days, couple of days, and this lot is with you guys. And I'll just show you quickly. I've got your little, there we go, a little prezi bags, which I've taken away now. I gave you the briefest glimpse. There's a Seffi coming to inspect the books. So I'm so excited to give these out to you guys in the next few days. So keep looking on my page, keep looking on my Instagram and things like that, because we've got lots of exciting bits coming up. I've got a few little quotes and stuff from this book coming up, just little teasers to whet your appetite for it. And after this is all revealed and after it's been released, I've got some very exciting or very fun plans. Exciting for me, probably exciting for you guys, I don't know, but it'll definitely be fun. Plans on another little extra Carpe Nocturne thing that I'm going to be doing for you lovely, lovely lot. So, first box of many. Who's excited?